Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Firestone. I did get to tune it last time a little bit. I didn't have that much nitro. I just went ahead and grabbed some 20%, so I'm gonna have to retune it, but we're gonna go ahead and run it. I did set up the suspension a little bit better, and I put the banditos on there. I'm gonna just run it in the grass. Alright, guys. Too rich. Still breaking up. Yo, he good. That's waterproof. He good. Yeah, waterproof. Wait on him. She running. Probably. I got another battery in there if it fits. I got you right now. You gotta take those clips out of the top. She running. right when I get the car running, I broke something. I don't know, man. I gotta order this, and this might take a while to come in. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Broke the inside. I'll probably show y'all on the bench. The car was dialed in right at the end, right on the money too. It's hitting real nice. Hopefully I got a spare one of those. If not, I'm gonna have to look it up. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for more. It was ripping up with these tires in there. If I would have had the dirt ones, it would have hooked better. So y'all stay tuned for more. She definitely back and running. We'll keep some more coming from this. Thanks for tuning in.